This is a review for all the things we've done in Unit 8. I know it kind of gets confusing because it all looks the same, but everything has a different step. So we're going to make this sheet so you'll have it for your test. Y to the 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. 5 to the 0 is 1. All right? Anything to the power of 1 is itself. So y to the power of 1 is y. 5 to the power of 1 is 5. If I have y squared, it's really y times y. If I have 5 squared, it's 5 times 5, which would equal 25. It would not equal 5 times 2 is 10, because it's 5 times 5. Okay. When I have the product of the powers property, I multiply the big number if there's a big number and add the little number. So for this, there's no big number. Copy the x. 5 plus 6 is 11. For number 2, I'd copy the 9, and 5 plus 6 is 11. And for number 3, it's got big numbers. I multiply the coefficients. 4 times 3 is 12. Copy the base, and then 5 plus 6 is 11. Number 4, we multiply the exponents when they're being distributed. So x, 3 times 6 is 18. Same thing, 10, 3 times 6 is 18. This next section, we're going to distribute the exponents to everyone, and when we do that, we'll multiply the exponents. So that means the x gets it, and the 3 gets it. X to the third, y to the third. This one, the 4, and then the x, and then the y get it. 4 to the third, x to the third, y to the third. And if I put 4 to the third in my calculator, I would get 64 x3, y3. Let's distribute this one here. 4 to the third, which we know is 64. X, 2 times 3 is 6. Y, 4 times 3 is 12. So x6, y12. All right. Now we're going to deal with some negatives. Remember, when they're making bad choices, we send them to the basement to make them positive, and we got to put a 1 on top as a placeholder. Here, he's in the bottom making bad choices, so we're actually going to send him to the top. And you can put a 1 under it, or you don't have to. Here, on 11, it's just x to the 7th. The 4 gets to stay up top because he's not making bad choices, but the x has to go to the basement to become positive. Here, the 4 is already in the basement. He can't get out, but the x can get out to become a positive 7, or you could have a 1 in front of it. Here, the 4 stays on top. The x to the 7 joins them. You can put a 1 under it if you want. You don't have to. When we're dealing with quotients, we're going to divide the big number and subtract the little number. So there's no big numbers. I'm just going to say x, 7 minus 4 is 3. Copy it down. 7 minus 4 is 3. This one, I got to divide because I've got these coefficients. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Copy the x. 7 minus 4 is 3. All right, last one, last section. This is when we distribute x to the 4th, y to the 4th. This time, everybody gets that 4. 2 to the 4th, x to the 4th, 3 to the 4th, y to the 4th. 2 to the 4th over 3 to the 4th would be 16 over 81, x4, y4. All right, be sure that you have this whole page copied, and you will want to use it on your test as a cheat sheet to help remind you how to do all the different things we do with exponents.